This was the swing frame trade of the day yesterday for 17th of February. It was Cisco, which was at the top of our list for one-day swing value. We framed the daily doji. We're ready to go long or short out of the yellow zone. And let's take a look and see what happened. We're now on 10-minute charts on the 18th. The blue box is the last 30 minutes of the day. The green box is the opening range 10 minutes. We get the breakout of the opening range 10. We use a standard risk to the bottom of the dragon, about 30 cents. Get our mechanical entry, add a Hogard press, achieve a maximum favorable excursion, exit when it moves back in an orderly fashion to the skin of the dragon, and that's about 5R. Standard trade. This is the swing trade for tomorrow, the 19th. We've got, this is the double leverage Google. This is an 11 to 1 trade frame. We would go long out of the yellow zone or short out of the yellow zone. We'd like to get an orderly open and then a breakout. And then you can see the assorted price ladder on the way up. Top one, the 10-day high, giving us about a 11 to 1 reward to risk. The short side trade is there. If it breaks below this 30-day low, then it's Katie bar the door to the downside. So standard frame. The market itself on the daily health check on daily bars, in the middle of its 30-day range. Not much to choose from in either direction. We're closing in on the 30-day simple moving average back in. Market remains bullish, volatile, stable in the short term. Volatility remains poised in a critical state. Plenty to choose from out of the Dow with standard frames. The ETFs have fewer auto framers, but we still have plenty of dojis. The internationals are looking strong. There's some movement in the energy sector with uranium and oil and basic commodities. You can see Google here in the auto framer and quite a few testing out better than 2 to 1. And the daily squeeze is showing also a large number poised for swing trading one day at a time. Google is my choice. Market's recovering from the sell-offs. We only have a handful that are breaking out to 10-day highs. The frog list, the intraday valuable traders remaining pretty stable with some story stocks in there like Palantir and Rigetti remaining strong.